Hello friends, in front
Sure.
of me Abhishek ji is sitting. He qualified his chartered accountancy exam in July 21. Not only that, he secured one of the highest marks, 85 marks in SFM. Really very good marks. His concepts are really very strong. He's conceptually very clear. He's practically very strong. He had opened demat account. He know how to buy and sell shares. What is the reason of scoring such a good marks? We really want to know from Mr. Abhishek, because so many students wants to get some motivation of scoring such a good marks in SFM. Whether you should be afraid of SFM or not, what approach you should follow, what approach he followed, and definitely the companies will definitely hire such candidate who has such a nice knowledge of finance. He is really very good in his application. He is clear with the concepts. Not only his knowledge will apply in Indian market, his knowledge will also apply in international market. He had a good knowledge of futures and options, derivative, hedging, arbitrage. So Mr. Abhishek, please go on and let us know how you managed to score such a good marks in SFM. Go ahead.
Hi, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to present myself before the students. As you said that the knowledge that which we are getting in SFM subject is not only relevant in the Indian context, but it is relevant in the US context as well. So first of all, I would advise the students that don't study just to pass the exams. Your approach should be that I have to study for gaining the knowledge. You need to understand this, that the knowledge which you are getting in CA final especially is really immense. It is golden, and I believe that the concepts which you know, they are just beautiful. So you should be grateful to God that you are getting to study this knowledge. You should be grateful to your parents as well and your teachers as well, that there are a lot of students who don't get to know this knowledge, but you have the opportunity to study this and do some good to the world outside. When you apply the concepts, obviously you will be going to companies for jobs, and you will be solving their problems with the knowledge that you have. So your approach should be that I have to study as much as possible for gaining the knowledge. So this is what my perspective was. This is the mindset that I had during my preparation, that I don't have to mug up the concepts. मुझे कुछ भी रटना नहीं है type of thing. So I studied to gain more and more knowledge. To gain more knowledge was my perspective at that time when I was preparing for the exams.
How you managed to
And
score 85 marks in SFM?
so I would really advise the students that for every subject, your material that you have to study should be decided in advance, and it should be fixed. What I did was I referred only to your modules, eight modules, and the class notes, the handwritten notes which you give in the class. So that was the only material I referred. I didn't go for any third reference books in the market. So your material is very detailed, and it has all the ICES study material questions, RTB, MTB, past exam questions. So it is complete in itself. It is comprehensive, and the notes. I would give special emphasis on the handwritten notes which you give in the classes. That they're very concise and helpful. You already know that at what point the student may have some doubt, and he may, you know, face hurdles while studying the concepts. So what you have done is you have made concept number 41, 42, 43, for example, that you already know that at what points the student may face some difficulties in understanding the concepts. So you explain each and every concept in every bit of detail you have explained in your notes, so that the student should face no difficulty while understanding the concepts while he's on self-study mode. So these notes were very helpful, and somewhere in the notes you have also given Hindi explanations as well, so that it is better and easier to understand for the students at the time of self-study. So the notes were very useful. I have the I would say that I would preserve the notes register for as long as possible in my life.
Definitely, definitely. Notes are really very precious, and you have really done very well.
Hmm.
85 marks, you must celebrate. It's a celebration time. And I wish you all the
Yes.
best for your future journey. And whenever you have some achievements in your life, you will definitely have. So please do let us know, because our main aim is to motivate others that if Abhishek can do it, we can all do it. It's just about
Yes, sir.
motivation and
Obviously,
following the
sir.
right path, following the right approach. And I need Abhishek from you
Mhm.
three parties, one for SFM and one for audit and law also, because I always used to say if you are good in SFM, you don't have to worry about your whole group. Your whole group will be cleared, no issue
Mhm.
about it. And you have proved my point. Abhishek, thank you so much. You are really a brilliant student. Last saying which you want to say to your juniors to motivate, so that they can also do and they can also score such a good marks?
So the last thing would be that be grateful for the knowledge that you are getting, and don't just study that I have to mug up the concepts anyhow and pass in the exams. Don't study for the purpose of just passing in the exams. Study for the purpose of gaining more knowledge, whether it is SFM or any other subject. Gain as much knowledge as you can from the books and the material you have, because that knowledge is what is going to be valuable. That knowledge is the thing that is going to be valued by your clients or the company which you will be performing the job role. So they would be valuing the knowledge that you have. Study as much as you can and gain more knowledge. That would be my last tip of advice
So
to the students
knowledge
out
is
there.
power. This is what you want to say.
Knowledge is power, sir.
Thank you
Right,
so
right.
much, Abhishek, for coming and giving your valuable time.
Hmm. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
sir.
and keep it up.
Thank you, sir.